Hello friends, welcome to my channel Happy Learning with Remy. This is Project 2 video about Postgraduate Diploma in Early Childhood and Foundational Stage Education. This is part 1 of Project 2. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the summary of the project and the number of days plus phase 1 activities. Let us start with number of working days in project 2. So first phase, there will be 3 observation periods, 3 days. Second phase, 4 days will be preparation period and 7 days for planning and implementing specific unit plans and lesson plans for circular areas. Then third phase, there is a preparation period for 2 days and then next 4 days will be planning and implementing integrated unit plans and lesson plans. And the total number of days again is 20. Next is summary picture of project 2. So in this project, you have to specify or select one primary school where you are going to teach grade 1 or grade 2 classes, any one class. And specifically, you have to carry out lesson plan about the 3 subjects mainly. It is language and literacy, mathematics, and world around us. So you have to select one primary school and your supervisor, the teacher who is taking these classes will be your supervisor. The total duration of the project is again 4 weeks, means 20 days, Monday to Friday. Your first phase will be the observation period for days 1 to 3, means day 1, day 2, day 3. So you have to write 3 observation reports. So how you will write the reports is, first you will write the name of the school, date of observation, class observed, either it is grade 1 or grade 2. So duration of the observation, the whole day's observation you have to write there. So usually primary schools also 5 hours working it is. So after this, there are total 9 sections, means 9 topics are given. You have to observe thoroughly everything and write down the observation and your analysis about that observation given topic. So section 1 is classroom layout, how the classroom will be. Whether it is a typical classroom, means the straight benches are there, whether the benches are in a circle, or for specific activities it is given the specific shape or not. So what you observed in that school and your analysis you have to write down. Next is section 2, children's profile and interaction with each other. So how the children are there, means they are interacting with each other, they are asking whether doubts to teacher or not. So when while teaching, teacher is teaching, at that time whether they are asking anything or not, or simply they are sitting quietly or doing their work, or whether it is a interactive class. So you have to observe everything. In each section you have to write the observation and analysis. Next one is section 3, teacher-child interaction. If the child asks any question, whether teacher answer it properly or not, or a teacher encourage the students to ask doubt, or whether simply she said not to say anything, quietly sit and do your work. Means everything you have to observe and analysis you have to write for everything. So next is section 4, the content taught and the pedagogy used by the teacher for language and literacy. So first subject is language and literacy. It can be English or it can be Hindi also. So what pedagogy tools teacher used in that, what activity she has given and how she is teaching, and what is the content of that, everything you have to observe first, and then you have to write the observation and then analysis for the same. Section 5 is the content taught and the pedagogy used by the teacher for mathematics. So while teaching the mathematics, what teacher is teaching, what all tools she is using, what all activities she is giving in mathematics, whether she is giving them to memorize, or simply copy down from the board, or through the activity she is teaching. So everything you have to observe, your observation you have to write, your analysis, your point of view also have to write. Next, break time. Maybe it can be before section 5 or after section 5. Means break time also you have to notify that whether children are eating their food in the class, how they are going to wash their hands, whether teacher is instructing them or any helper is there to take them to washroom or whatever they are doing. You and whether teacher is helping them or helper is helping them to open their tiffins, and if anyone is any facing any problem, whether teacher is helping or any helper is helping them or not. Next one is section 6, the content taught and the pedagogy used by the teacher for world around us. It's usually called as EVS in primary schools. So EVS, how teacher is teaching, uh, any activity she is giving in that, or simply she is making them read from the textbook and giving the question answers. So it is you have to observe and write the analysis. Section 7 is method of assessment of children's learning. So how teacher is assessing the children, whether it is a formative assessment or altogether teacher means uh, afterwards only, after teaching the lesson only teacher is taking any assessment. So how teacher is assessing the children's learning, that also you have to observe and write the observation and analysis. Section 8, accessibility and use of resources for teaching. It is now you know that mandatory to use the teaching aids. So how teacher is using the teaching aids, whether it is a smart board, whether it is a any handy things or any real model or anything is there, teacher is teaching with that. So everything you have to observe and write down in your observation and your analysis. Last is section 9. It is a classroom management, how the classroom management is, the table and chairs and the charts and everything, whatever is there in the class you have to note it down. And whether it is a smart board is there or not, lightning is there, proper lightning is coming to the class or not. So whatever you observe in that, you have to write the observation and your analysis in this also. So today this much only. Next video will explain the phase 2 activities. um, Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.